Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to your Aura Labs app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to give someone access to your Aura Labs TV backlight. How do you actually go ahead and invite someone? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your Aura Labs app. Next, click on the bottom right hand corner where you see the account icon. Next, go ahead and click on share. And then from here, click on add sharing. So now you need to select which device you want to go ahead and share. So click on one device, click on next. And then you need to add the account here. So click on add account and then you can share either by email or by user ID. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and share your Aura and invite someone to your Aura Labs app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.